Hi all, I'm MathYan. Before I proceed, please click like and subscribe for more videos to learn this special multiplication series. Let's start. Special multiplication part 1. Very effective dynamics in calculation. Make multiplication easy. The easiest way is to memorize times table, of course. But how far can you memorize? Can you memorize 12 times table, 13 times table, 14 times table, 97 times table, 98 times table, or even 99 times table? Can you? Now there are some easier methods that really make multiplication much easier and fun. Do you know the number of ways to calculate this? 22 times 19. How many ways do you know? For me, I know about 9 ways to solve these questions. There are long methods to solve and there are also short methods to solve. Which one do you like? Of course, all of us like the short method. But the fastest way is mental arithmetic. Times table 5 to 9 using fingers. Use both hands' fingers to do the calculation. Each finger represents a number. This is your left hand. Each finger represents a different number. This is your right hand. Okay. 4, 6 multiplied by 8. This is your left hand. Before the numbers at the finger. Okay. For 6, look for the left hand index finger because the index finger represents 6. Here, 6. Okay. This is your right hand. For 8, look for right hand ring finger. The ring finger represents 8. Here. Okay. Join the two fingers together. This and this, the 6 and 8. 6 and 8. Left hand, 3 fingers below your index finger, right? Okay. Plus your index finger, there are 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Your right hand, 1 finger below your ring fingers. So together with your ring finger, so there are 2 fingers. 1, 2. Three, 4. 1, 2. Okay. Multiply the 4. That's your left circuit fingers with 2. The right circuit fingers. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So 3, 4, 2. Okay. Okay, now let's count the uncircled finger. Total of 4 uncircled fingers. 1 from your left hand and 3 from your right hand. Total 4 uncircled fingers. So circled finger is 4 times 2, 8. Uncircled finger 4. So the answer for 6 multiplied by 8 is 48. Now let's try 8 multiplied by 8. Left hand fingers, right hand fingers. So the 8 is here. So circled finger 1, 2 on your left hand, 1, 2 on your right hand. Remember, 2 from your left hand, 2 from your right hand. Okay, how many uncircled finger? 3 on your right hand, 3 on your left hand, total 6 uncircled finger. So the circled fingers is 2 times 2 equal to 4. How many uncircled fingers? 6. So answer for 8 multiplied by 8 is 64. This method is for those that are not familiar or unable to memorize. The times table from 5 to 9 only. For more special multiplication method, please look out for the next video in the Special Multiplication Part 2. Thank you.